Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have a review of the Fabfitfun summer box spoilers. If you've seen my video post from yesterday, the items were not all confirmed, but as of today, everything has been confirmed. So I'm going to go ahead and just review everything one more time for you in case you missed that. Now before we get into it, let me just quickly remind you that this box is a $49.99 seasonal subscription, meaning you're going to get it every 3 months. So it's going to be winter, spring, summer, and fall. And I also have a link for you in the description below for $10 off your first box. And remember, I'm always going to keep you updated on the spoilers. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a spoiler or a video that I have for you. Now we're going to start off with customization number 1. This is the Draper James straw bag with a floral scarf. Now this bag retails for $75 and it says it's made with a paper straw. So I'm assuming this isn't a bag that you're going to want to wear every single day. Then next we have the Lash MD. This is a growth serum and conditioner for your lashes and it retails for $69. Next we have the Yumi Kim charging pad. This has a USB cable and it retails for $35. Then we have the Al Space tie-dye towel with tassels at the bottom, retailing for $58. And I can tell you my cutest towels that I've received have been from Fabfitfun. And then from Dr. Brandt, this is the Triple Peptide Eye Cream, and this retails for $82. Next, we have a Mason Ceramic Diffuser, and this retails for $55. And here's customization number 2. The first item is the Michael Kors Bedford Travel Passport Wallet. This retails for $78. Next, we have the Business and Pleasure Cooler. This is a cooler bag that retails for $59. And then from Isaac Mizrahi, we have a beautiful kimono, which is blue and white and has a retail value of $58. From R&Co Television, Perfect Hair Shampoo and Conditioner. This is an item that we received in a past box. So this is a repeat and it retails for $64. Next one is a big one. This is the Hydropeptide Moisture Face Oil that has a retail value of $120. Now let's get into customization number 3. Now this first item is the black peel-off eye mask and face mask dual, which retails for $52. And this is another repeat item as well. And then from Kate Somerville, you have the Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. It retails for $65. Now this next item is not technically a repeat because we did receive another one in the same line. This is the Kula Organic Mineral Face Sunscreen. This retails for $35. And I believe the last one we received wasn't organic and it was in a blue box. And these are the Tom Sidney sunglasses. They have a matte black frame and the lens is a cool green. These retail for $58. Here is the mini key giving key necklace, which retails for $45. This is a 16-inch chain and the charm itself is extremely tiny. From Prep Rally, this is a repeat item. This is their Prime and Prep Detangler and this retails for $25. Okay guys, now here's customization number 4. And you have the Zoela Professional Ice Roller. This retails for $35.95. This says it decreases pore size and helps under eye circle. So I'm very interested in this one. Now next we have the Terramare and Tea Tree Toner. This retails for $58. Then we have the Silk Satin Pillow Sleeve. This retails for $25. Now you're not getting the pillow, this is just the sleeve itself. We're almost done. We are now on customization number 5. Then we have the Exodo Sienna decorative vases that retail for $34. Then we have the Amika Brooklyn Bombshell Blowout Spray that retails for $25. Then we have the Beach Mist After Sun Spray, retails for $42. Then we have the Grace and Stella Hyaluronic Acid Serum with a retail value of $25. And then customization will be on May 2nd at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. You'll be able to customize your box until May 5th. Okay, guys, so what do you think of the spoilers? What items will you be selecting, or do you think you might be selecting? Let me know in the comments below, because I have no idea what I'll be picking. Okay, guys, I will continue to keep you updated, because remember, there's still a couple more items, at least 3 of them, that will be in the box that's not part of the customization. So as soon as I find that information out, I'll definitely let you know. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. As always, I love you, and I'll see you in the comments below. Have a blessed day.